Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's unbelievable. It's Friday once again, 20th of February. We're almost done with this month. And we have a storm system going up into the Great Lakes. But for us, it's just a little bit of overrunning precipitation. Because temperatures are going to be so warm today in the mid 30s and even warm above us at 5,000 feet, we're going to see rain, maybe mixed with some sleet and snow, but no accumulation. Now, this evening, colder air will work in, so things should change over to sleet and snow, especially after 8, 9, 10 o'clock. It'll become all snow eventually, and there could be a coating to a few inches of snow across the area as the thing changes back over with the colder air. Now, as we head for Saturday, it's pretty much done when you get up. There might be a residual flurry or a snow shower. Then cloudy, temperatures in the mid 30s. You might have to clean up a little bit. Sunday, mostly cloudy, a flurry, temperatures in the mid 30s. Monday, we watch that storm. Does it impact us or not? It's definitely going to be cold enough. It'll be breezy along the coastline. There's a chance for snow, and the best chance is off towards the south. You know, the models, the bigger models have been kind of conflicting with each other. So if you look at the GFS model, that's been the most aggressive with this particular system, keeping it fairly close to southern New England and bringing in accumulating snow all the way back to the border of New York. If you look at the European model, it's much further east, and the Canadian model's not quite as far east as the Euro, but it's pretty far east. In terms of the AI model, even the GFS AI model is a little bit closer. So I don't want to discount it completely, but I guess I think we just need another day. I just need another day to kind of look at some data, look at today's data. And again, this is a Monday thing. This would come in, if it were to hit us, it would sort of arrive here during the morning hours on Monday, and we'd probably peak in the afternoon, and it would be out overnight, Monday night, and into Tuesday. But I lean towards, as I have all week, that it's not going to be a big impact. But it is a pretty big ocean storm, so want to keep an eye on it. Have a great weekend, everybody. And I will update through the weekend, by the way, if it looks like there's going to be any significant snow. All right? Have a great day.